Hello and welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today we're going to be talking about round function in Excel. We'll discuss today the round function, and there's also few options in round like round up, round down, and round, and the round will be discussed one by one today. I'm gonna show you how to use the round function. Here I already opened up a example we using round function. So here you can see the round, and it's the argument, it's say the round, then number, then the number of digits. What do you want? I'm gonna show you so how to use it. This is the kind of the example. The Excel round function returns a number rounded to given number of digits. So here you can see this is the number, and here after the number the few number in here like the 4 5 6 7, and you can see this is the same number, and the result I used, and this you can see that like some different with the this number and this number. So and what I used, that's you can see this is the digit, and with the digit it's changed something. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Let me start. Like when I click the round, then I'm gonna use this one for round and click and use the 0, then close it, then hit on. Now you can see it's now the round, and it's no more than after nothing is here, so it's after that it's either 0, after a dot it has some zeros. So how can you take out? I will show you later on. And same way I use this one, like this is the different. So what I did here, I just use the formula. Like here the number I use this one, and the number digit I use the digit for 2, and when I press the 2, now you can see after the dot like it's take only the 2 146, it doesn't take that 2 digit. So same as I use like this one. So when I use the formula like this one, so it's mean it will take only the 1 digit, not the rest of the 3. So this is the 1, and same way it's take the 0. I'm going to show you here. And also you can use the manually, like when you use round, then what you'll do, just click on that and it's comma and use a 1 and press and hit the enter. Now you can see this is the similar, but what you will do, you just go to the home and use the decimal, so increase or decrease. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just decrease the decimal, and now you can see is the decimal the decrease. The same way I can do for this one here, and you can see it's taking out the decimal. It is the same formula, just you can do this one, like you can say the round and use this one and use the 0 or whatever. Like if I use the 0, then hit on enter. Now you can see this is similar. And same way if I use the -1, then use the -1, then hit on the enter. Now you can see it's come up like it doesn't no more the 4. This is the only 515, and because I say the -1 when I decrease the decimal, so now you can see it's now the different with this. Okay, so same way is done. Then what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you like the whole number just with the example. I'm use this one, so what I have told you, and you can see is the change. You can now compare the result what I did. So here I use the 0, and for here I'm also using 0, and it doesn't have the anymore, and it's the change. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just decrease the decimal, just drag down. Now you can see is the change. Okay, then next one what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the round, and you can see the difference of the number. Like this is the 1 2 3 4, then dot, and the 5 6, and now you can see the nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1000. So I use this formula. You can see I already made it up, and here I'm using the -2. Let me click on here, and it's mean it's take the -1, so it doesn't have the now decimal, so it's come up like this. And when it's and this one, so it's check the this one. Okay, let me do with the decimal take out. If I do the round figure and drag down here, now you can see it's a change, and now the different you can see this is the -1 and the nearest 100. So what is the difference? The number is 1230 now, but here it say that 1200. Same way here the number is 5556, but when I round it with the 100, it's come up the 5600. Same way it's done. Then next one is nearest 1000, so it's here the 1234, but when I use the -3, so it's now the 1000. Then same way is take up the 1000 because it is more than the 500, so it's come up more than 500 means the 5600. Now it takes into 6000, and same way it has done. Okay, then I'm going to show you the round up and the round down. This is the same formula, is kind of the 10, 100 and 1000. So what I did, so this is the round one, but the round up it's mean if I use this formula, when I click, now you can see the number is the this one, and do with the -2 because I'm gonna use the round up. Like here is the 1200, but when it done with the round up, so it's come up the 1300 and hit on the enter. You can see same way just you can do for the rest of this one. Like when I use the round up, then use this one A3, then what I'm gonna do, use -2 and close it, hit on the enter. Now you can see it's same with the this result, and same way just scroll down. Now you can see this is changed. And the round down, the formula what I use, same way just I use the round down. It was the 1200, but when I use the round down formula, now you can see the round down and it say the -2, and you can see this is the now 1200, and same way is done with the same formula. Then I'm going to show you the M round, the formula, what it the different. Like when I use this formula M rounds, like this is the number, and if you want to divide it with the 3 or the 5, so you can do. Like when I click here, now you can see it can be divided by 100, so very easily. And you can do also like when I divide this one and use this one, then use the divided, and if I use the 1000, now you can see it can be divided. But when I use this one like 11, so it cannot divide it as a round figure. So with this M round, you can use your number for M round or divided whatever you want. Like when I click this one, and if I use this one for M round, then I'm gonna use this one multiply by 5. Let me close it and hit on enter. Now you can see how it's work. If I use this one and divide by 5, hit on enter, now you can see it can be divided by 5. Okay, so with the M round function you can just easily do with the divided, and you can use it and you can follow the tricks. And that is for today's tutorial. We hope you found this helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.